Hi everybody, Robert here with more Revit training. We're back with our precast building, and now we're going to focus on our site plan. And please, if you haven't followed this series, please subscribe. It helps me create these nice videos, and like, share if you can. So here, I'm going to go into consistent color so we can kind of see what's going on here. So we're going to look at the new features here in Revit 2026, the Topo surface. I haven't really used them that much. I'm just learning. I did it in a link file before, but this time we're going to do it in our file. We got it. So right now we've got our building, and it's sitting on top of a foundation here. And it's actually a slab on grade, but we got a crawl space there. So what I'm going to do here, I'm going to go. I'm going to work right in this file right here. I'm going to go right in this view. So I'm going to go to the top here. And I'm going to go hit the Topo surface. I'm going to create it from a sketch. So I'm going to sketch a rectangle here. Like so, because I think we got a driveway here, and we got an access to the back. So most of this is going to be grass like we have here. So here, if you look in our properties, we've got 16-inch Topo soil grass. So what we're going to do is we want to edit this guy, and we want to duplicate this. So we want to change this around a little bit. So I'm going to call this site, grassland site. Yeah, grassland site 1. So we're going to make a few of these, just test them out. So here I'm going to go OK. And now as you see the structure here, we're looking at our edit. So if you look here, we've got 4 inches of grass. We've got gravel 6 inches here and earth underneath. So in this particular situation, we want to have gravel here at say 4 foot 6 inches of gravel here. And then below that, we want to have earth. We'll say we'll go down another. Actually, let's do this. We can always adjust this. We can go 3 feet here. And let's take this down a foot. No, 4 feet. So there we have our surface here. And then I'm going to just OK this now. I'm going to push variable button here for the earth because this might change. And I'm going to say OK. Let's see, we got the earth, the gravel is 3 feet. Let's make it 3.6. Just for now. And then this is going to be 5. Okay? 5 feet. So I'm going to apply that. So there's our Topo surface. Enter that. We're going to go OK. Apply here. And OK. So this is what we're going to get here. So all I have to do is push the yellow button, the green check mark, and I'm not going to attach that. There's our surface, as you can see now. So now we've got this situation with our building. You know, that's going all the way through the building. So what we'll do now is we're going to excavate this. We're going to cut this out. So I'm going to select this, and I'm going to just do this, see if this will work here. Nope, I'm not sure how that works, so I'm going to do it the way I know. I'm going to cancel this out here. I'm going to select the surface, and I'm going to do a subdivide here. And I'm going to pick these walls, each of these walls, so. And just go all the way around. Actually, we're creating what we call a building pad. I'll show you in just a second here. I'm going to take this guy on around here. Now, I'm going to go to there, to there. Now, what we're going to have here, of course, we're not going to have, we're going to use another material here because this is our substrate. So we're going to go with 8-inch concrete pad for this. And we're going to drop this down. You can set this elevation. So let's bring this down to 3'6". Or we can minus 3'6". I'm sorry. No, it's 3'6". Boy, it's cold tonight, man. And we're gonna hit the green check mark. We got some things not shut down. We're gonna continue here. So all these spaces has to be closed loop. So I'm gonna zoom in here, and I'm gonna close this one. Again, please subscribe to the channel, folks. Okay, what happened here? There you go. I'm going to take this around, and we got that one cleaned up. We'll clean up this one right here. And that might do it. I'm going to hit the... Okay, we got one more there. Continue. I think I'll just delete this one out. And just extend and intersect this. Yeah, again, please subscribe to the channel, guys, and follow this series. It's pretty good. It's going a bit slow, but we're gonna get this going in a second. So now I've got what I want done here. What I'm doing is we'll show you this in a section view. Okay, I'm gonna hit the check mark here, and we've got our pad now. So what happened is, okay, let's go on the section view here. I'm going to go into my site plan view and drop a section through here in my site plan. You can kind of see what's happening here. Sorry about this. Okay, drop a section through here. Oh, that's the detail view. We want to look at our section. Gosh. Building section. Cut a building section through here. Now what we're going to do is going to have a look at our we get how we cut through the topo surface for the building. So that, okay, so what we got here? Yep, that looks good. Got our gravel through there, which we want. I want to make this fine view so you can kind of see this. Oh, what's the scale? Oh my goodness. So there you go. So if I do this in consistent colors, you will see that we got the gravel here, kind of what we want. Got the grass, and this is going to be engineer fill. And then we have our footings, and this is going to be our slab. So kind of janky there, but you get the idea how that works. So now I'm going to go back into my site, and I'm going to draw a sidewalk here. So that's simply, we'll select it. And we'll do another subdivide, and we'll do a shape. Well, I can draw something. Well, let me just draw something here from the road. Gonna have like a driveway access for the trucks here. So actually I want to go from here Uh-oh. I'm going to draw a line from here. Say about right there. We'll bring this down. Actually, this is going to go all the way around. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to just draw this axis this way for now. Okay. And we can always modify this and adjust it. So I'm sure the road's going to be wider than that. What kind of distance we got in there? 22 feet. Oh, that might not be bad. So now here we want to go with something different. Let's go with the, and just like before, we can edit these as well. So for this 8-inch concrete, let's edit this type here. So we'll duplicate this. And we'll make it 6 inches. And then we'll change the material to, okay. And then we'll go here and change this to 6 inches. And then we'll have our gravel. And we can change this to other materials like bituminous. But I think for this we're going to have the concrete. So I'm going to leave that there. Uh-oh. Look at that. Okay. See if we got bitumen here. BIT. I'm not going to spend all day looking for it. Okay. We'll go with asphalt pavement, light gray. We'll go okay here. Okay. And then we'll go apply here. Okay. And we'll finish it. So there we have our road going through there, and then we need a driveway right here. So I'm going to just sort of put this in for now quickly. We'll select this again. We'll do another subdivide. And what I'm going to do here, I'm going to just draw a shape. And we're going to use our, oh, we had asphalt here. Okay. So we can did this also. We can go here, we can select this, and we can change this to asphalt. There it is right there. Okay, so you guys get the idea how to do this. Now let's throw this driveway in here. And I'm gonna, let me just, yeah, we put a driveway here now. Select it. And we'll edit the subdivide here. And let's just go from here. I'll just do a shape to get this done quickly. Just do a shape, say from there to there out to our street. And I'll say this is going to be elevation well, we got depth. Let me see how what we're going to have here. Okay, so I'm going to leave it there. We went over how would you do, how we work this topo surface. Works pretty good, and then I'm going to add a few more features in here. But hey guys, thanks for watching the video. Please subscribe. I'll see you in the next video. Everybody be safe, and talk to you later. Yeah, this works pretty good. We can change this elevation here. Let's say we want to bring that up to, let's drop it down maybe 6 inches or 4 inches, and we can run a curve through there or something. -4 here. So yeah, you can be creative with this. I like how, yeah, you got a little curve going. I like how they did this now. So anyway guys, thanks for watching. Be safe. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.